that learns. How AI understands patterns. Before a child learns to read. Before a scientist makes a discovery. Before an artificial intelligence recognizes a face. The same invisible process has already begun. A search for patterns. Patterns are the hidden language of nature. They shape the spiral of a galaxy, the veins of a leaf, the rhythm of a heartbeat, and the structure of every human language. Yet today, for the first time in history, machines have begun searching for those patterns too. But can a machine truly learn if it has never understood the world? Long before mathematics, writing, or computers, our ancestors survived because they noticed patterns. The movement of animals, the changing seasons, the stars above, the warning signs hidden in a stranger's face. Recognizing patterns meant recognizing opportunity and danger. Modern artificial intelligence follows the same fundamental principle, but instead of forests and footprints, it explores oceans of digital information, books, images, voices, videos, scientific papers. Every second, it searches for statistical relationships too subtle for any human mind to track all at once. Remarkably, some of today's largest AI models are trained on datasets containing trillions of words and other forms of data, revealing patterns at a scale no individual could ever experience. This process is called machine learning. Despite the name, machines do not learn the way people do. They do not experience curiosity. They do not feel surprise. They do not understand meaning. Instead, they make a prediction, measure the error, adjust billions of internal parameters, then try again, millions, sometimes billions of times. What emerges is not knowledge in the human sense. It is an extraordinarily sophisticated ability to recognize statistical patterns. To us, it can look astonishingly intelligent. Yet beneath every answer lies mathematics, not awareness. Pattern recognition is already woven into everyday life. It helps filter spam before it reaches your inbox. It assists doctors by highlighting details in medical images that deserve closer attention. It can identify defects in factories, translate languages, recommend music, and even help scientists analyze enormous datasets. Yet every one of these systems shares the same limitation. They can recognize correlations. They cannot, by themselves, determine purpose, values, or truth. That responsibility remains human. Perhaps the most surprising lesson of machine learning is not what it reveals about computers. It's what it reveals about us. For centuries, we believed intelligence was defined by reasoning alone. Today, artificial intelligence reminds us that recognizing patterns is one of the deepest foundations of thought. The machine has not learned to become human. Instead, it has shown us that the search for patterns has always been one of the defining characteristics of being human. And perhaps, the greatest discoveries are still waiting inside patterns we have yet to see. In the next episode, we'll explore the moment computers stopped waiting for commands and started holding conversations with us. Like and subscribe, please.